wapenzi watazamaji wa Dendo Media, leo tumeungana hapa katika viunga hivi vya Padre Martin Sekondari kuja kushuhudia uapisho hapa wa serikali ya wanafunzi, ikiwa kama timu nzima ya Dendo TV tumehalikwa hapa basi kuweza kushuhudia matukio yanayoendelea hapa katika ulaji wa kiapo wa wanafunzi, na tunashukuru Mungu tumepokelewa vizuri na wenyeji wetu hapa. Basi jina lake ni nani na atatueleza kinaga ubaga nini hasa kiliendelea katika viwanja hivi. Karibu mwalimu.
Asante sana ndugu mtangazaji. Mimi ni mwalimu wa shule ya sekondari Padre Martin. Kwa jina naitwa Edward Liabonga. Mimi ni mwalimu wa historia Tanzania na history. Bahati nzuri kwa wiki hii tuliendesha uchaguzi wa kupata serikali ya wanafunzi. Lengo letu sisi kama Padre Martin ni kuwafundisha watoto uhalisia. Kwa hiyo tuliwafundisha demokrasia. Kwa hiyo tuliendesha uchaguzi vizuri kabisa, kwa kwanza na wanafunzi kuchukua fomu. Walijitokeza, tunashukuru Mungu, walikuwa na ujasiri wa kujitokeza, walichukua fomu. Mwisho wa siku tukazipitia, walivyozirejesha tukazipitia, na mwisho wa siku tukaendesha shughuli ya kampeni. Watoto kweli wana sera, waliomba kula kwa wanafunzi wenzao vizuri kabisa. Pia baada ya hapo sasa, siku ya Jumamosi tukaendesha swala la uchaguzi, na uchaguzi ulienda vizuri kabisa kwa kupiga kula za huru na haki, tena sehemu ya wazi kabisa. Tuna jengo letu pale la chakula, kwa hiyo walipigia mle kwa wazi na kula zikahesabiwa kwa wazi kabisa. Kwa hiyo na matokeo yakatoka kwa wazi. Leo asubuhi hii tunategemea muda wa assembly, tutaenda kuapisha viongozi wetu ili tayari kuanza majukumu yao rasmi kama demokrasia inavyohitaji.
Good morning, my students of Padre Martin Secondary School. Today is a very good day since we thank Almighty God to make us alive at this moment. We are going to take a very special thing, very special occasion of our leaders, especially students, government leaders who have been selected to be the leaders at this year of 2026. So today we are going to conduct a special thing, which is taking an oath, for example, especially for the leaders who have been elected to lead these students. We are going to start with the highest leaders, who are HP or head prefects, starting with this one. This is Stanley. Stanley Festo is coming to take an oath. You are most welcome, Stanley Festo, the head prefect from Form 1 class.
I, Stanley Festo Mgamba, have been elected as a head boy of the student government at Padre Martin Secondary School. I declare to do my duties with honest responsibility and respect for school rules. Treat all students fairly and equally. Be a good example in discipline, behavior, and schoolwork. Work together with teachers, school leaders, and students to improve our school. Keep student government matter private and speak wisely for students' needs. Help build peace, unity, and teamwork among students. I commit myself to this oath, offering thanks to God for granting me the courage to serve faithfully. Thank you.
Clap the hands for him. So up to this time we have already got the head prefect, as we have heard ourselves. So Stanley Festo, congratulations. May God help you in your work.
Thank you.
Then next time you will come and take this, then you fill this form such that you can remain with the copy. Go ahead.
Thank you.
The next one, Maureen Campbell. This is going to take the position of Stanley Festo. Remember, Stanley Festo is the Form 1, while this one is Form 2. You're most welcome.
Thank you.
Good morning, my fellow students. I'm fine. I, Maureen Emmanuel Campbell, having been elected as head girl of the students' government as Padre Martin Secondary School. I declare to do my duties with honesty, responsibility, and respect for school rules. Treat all students fairly and equally. Be a good example in discipline, behavior, and schoolwork. Work together with teachers, school leaders, and students to improve our school. Keep students' government matters private and speak wisely for students' needs. Help build peace, unity, and teamwork among students. I commit myself to this oath, offering thanks to God for granting me the courage to serve faithfully. Thank you.
Applaud her. Thank you very much. This is the head girl as she is moving down there. So from today we have got the head girl who is Maureen Campbell. The next position is the students believe him so much. Therefore, you're most welcome, Maxi.
I, Maximilian Michael Denge, having been elected as General Secretary of the Student Government at Padre Martin Secondary School, I declare to do my duties with honesty, responsibility, and respect for school rules. Treat all students fairly and equally. Be a good example in discipline, behavior, and schoolwork. Work together with teachers, school leaders, and students to improve our school. Keep student government matters private and speak wisely for student needs. Help build peace, unity, and teamwork among students. I commit myself to this oath, offering thanks to God for granting me the courage to serve faithful. Thank you.
Applaud him, please.
Mirak Makondo Semindo, I have been elected as General Secretary of the students of the government Padre Martin Secondary School. I have been caring for to do my duties as honest, responsibility, and respect of the rural schools.
And Barnabas. Also, we have 5 papers. Those were chosen to be Antipas, Sankwad, Rebecca, and Moses. Also, leaders who are responsible with the English campaign. Here we have Joseph Willow, and so when we start saying our oath, at the first where there is a dash, make sure that you mention your name. You mention your name separately, then you continue with an oath, you say it together. Are together? So let us start. 1, 2, 3.
I've been elected as school government at Padre Martin Secondary School. I declare to do my responsibility and respect of school rules. Treat all students fair and equal. Be a good example in discipline, behavior, and schoolwork. Work together with school leaders and students to improve our school. Keep student government matters private and speak well of student needs. Help build peace, unity,